In this video, I'm going to share a study tip that I found quite helpful when I was in school and university, and it's what I call the last look. And basically, in that gap between arriving in the classroom or the exam hall, I would just have one brief look through all the last and most important notes. At its best, sometimes I would summarize it all into one page, which I'll explain more in another video called Common Errors. But for now, what it would look like is if I had any final acronyms, any final pictures, any final things that I wanted to store in my mind, so that then for 5 minutes while you're sitting down, all books are packed away, the examiner is explaining a few things, until the point that you have your question paper and script to write on. And then as I would get that script, I would just very quickly write down some key things, like for trig, I would write Sokotoa. I would quickly do the special triangle in seconds. And as quickly as I'm writing, this is how fast I would be filling it in. And so it maybe takes you tops a minute or two. But for the rest of the exam, you've just got these little things that you might have wanted or needed to make life a bit easier later. You might even dedicate a page to all these quick doodles. And so last look is just before the exam starts, giving yourself 5 minutes to briefly look through your notes and your books for the key acronyms, tips, pictures that you needed, and then as soon as you get that question paper, just writing them all down. People thought that I was stressed and I was trying to study things for the first time, but in the moments before the exam, it was just collating all those final thoughts, then having it on a piece of paper, almost like a cheat sheet, so that it just made the rest of the exam really chilled. I hope that you found this study tip on last looks helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks.